This was my first flight since the pandemic, so stick around to the end for tips on flying during COVID-19. We are on our way to Richmond, Virginia. Hello, my name is Alfredo and this is Off the Strip, where I introduce you to places just minutes off the Las Vegas Strip or take you on one of my adventures. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. More information is listed below. In this video, we are going to explore downtown Richmond, Virginia, from the Overlook to Carytown to the Museum of Fine Arts. So please hit that like button, make a comment, and always support local businesses. We made it to Virginia, so here we go. Let's go explore.
Everybody's smiling, sunshine day. Everybody's laughing, sunshine day.
Here I am at my aunt and uncle's house in Richmond, Virginia. As you can see, it's raining outside, but the leaves are falling. It's supposed to rain. So here we are at the Church Hill Overlook in Richmond, Virginia on a rainy day. So here we are in Richmond, Virginia at the Capitol building. So we're in Carytown. It's a street in Richmond, Virginia, full of shops, restaurants, and bars. It's really neat. Finally, it stopped raining for a little bit, so hopefully that keeps for a little while.
So if you're ever in Richmond, Virginia, make sure you stop by the Virginia Museum of Fine Arts. It's a beautiful place. Lots of ancient artifacts all the way to modern art. So come check it out. It's a lot bigger than expected. So it's been a really nice treat, and it's free to come in.
When flying during the pandemic, you can be safer with these tips. Wear a mask at all times. Airlines require that you have your nose and mouth covered during the entire flight. Use hand sanitizers and avoid touching your face, especially your mouth and your nose. If possible, wipe down your tray table, armrest, seatbelt, and your general area. Use the overhead fan to circulate fresher air around you. More importantly, enjoy your flight and don't stress yourself. You've already decided to travel, so just enjoy it. Just be careful without being overly cautious and stressed. Remember, stress can lower your immune system, so just enjoy the trip.